time has come to start modifying the 124 once again. This car, other than the lowering springs, the rear sway bar, the Abarth Auto LSD, and the stubby antenna, I think is completely stock. But today I'm going to be taking out this airbox, which is a really simple process. Just, I think, 3 10mm bolts and then a couple of Phillips hose clamps. Got one on the nose of the turbo, got a couple little push-in fittings we got to pull out just for hoses. And these, the green and white clips on the airbox we'll pull off too. This is an intake kit that I purchased. It's the loudest one on the market. I'm not going to say who makes it or where I got it because I had to pay full retail for it. So do your own research if you actually want to grab one of these. But stock airbox comes out really, really easily. There's a single 10 right here on this. There's one over here in the front left. Just shoots right out. There's a little green clip that's on here. Just get a flat blade screwdriver and pry it out, just like this white one. And you should have no issue with that. Comes straight out after you take off the single hose clamp on the turbo. If you do pull anything off, just make sure you press it back on in the right place. This kit will start by putting on the big silicone tube. Make sure you have the hose clamp on for the turbo right there before you actually slip it on. Fitting goes right in, and you can then bolt the 10mm back in. You see that little vacuum hose just in front of it? That goes onto the little solenoid there. After that, put the aluminum piece in the front of the intake tube by the filter. Then you can clamp that, put the filter in, clamp that down, put the 2 10mm back in, just so you don't lose them. Obviously the front one for the airbox isn't needed anymore, but all in all fits pretty well, and this whole job so far has taken 5 minutes. So you can see the fresh air intake duct there. That will do a little bit. This is definitely going to increase your IATs. I don't think it's going to matter too much while you're moving, but in traffic, you're definitely going to get a little bit more knock potential. No idea why they included this hose. Don't know what it's for. But here we go. Definitely a little bit more intake noise as it spools. It does make some cool partial throttle noises and like... Ugh. I gotta do it again here. That kind of stuff sounds cool. It's still worth the money, and I think I would go with the loud intake over the performance one. But for the price, I guess I'm a little bit underwhelmed. It does spool a little bit faster. I guess I'm happy I did it, but not my favorite mod so far.